During the 2015 legislative session, Nevada lawmakers put some teeth into a new law that established possible jail time for squatters and other criminals who set up shop in distressed properties and vacant homes. More often than not, these properties are used for illegal activities, but now would-be squatters could face jail time. The Greater Las Vegas Association of Realtors, in a proactive move to protect realtors, protect property rights, and work within the parameters of the law, joined forces with the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police and the Henderson Police Departments to develop a process to rid property owners of squatters. Dubbed housebreaking, squatters can now be charged with a felony.
I can't have you guys back at all.
My bad.
All right, I get it. I get it. I get it.
The homeboy said it was cool, so.
I'm sorry, we didn't.
Oh, no.
No, we didn't make the mess.
Yes, Rhonda.
I get it. So yeah, so this is properties being sold, and you guys cannot come back.
Okay.
All right?
The Greater Las Vegas metropolitan area was hit hard by the Great Recession. Harder hit even when more vacant and distressed properties flooded the marketplace, making them havens for the homeless, temporary housing for transients, and prime targets for thousands of squatters who took up residency wherever they could. According to statistics from the Clark County Recorder's Office, more than 14,000 homes were vacant in 2016, either in the foreclosure process or bank-owned. Of those, Metro Police say some 5,000 homes in the Las Vegas area potentially have squatters or were rented to unsuspecting people who thought they had valid leases. Prior to 2015, evictions were a civil matter. The police would not get involved with squatters.
It's more than just these people taking over this house to live for free. They're essentially going into these neighborhoods and then using that house to commit other crimes.
Realizing these zombie foreclosures were a growing problem, the Greater Las Vegas Association of Realtors teamed up with the Henderson and Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Departments and created a mechanism to remove squatters from the vacant and distressed properties.
It's a matter of property rights. It's a matter of protecting our client's property. More importantly, it's a matter of realtor safety. Because more often than not, realtors could be placed in a dangerous situation where they confront squatters. We often have no idea how they got into these homes, nor do we know how dangerous they actually could be.
Squatters are opportunists, and they are infamous for leaving a trail of destruction in their wake, including broken windows, filth, feces, and graffiti. You name it, property owners have seen it, and they've dealt with it. Police say many of the unlawful occupants also set up illegal businesses, such as prostitution rings, narcotic labs, and chop shops. Last October, it became a criminal offense for squatters to enter a home unlawfully. It also became a felony to re-enter a home after being removed by police. When squatter situations are encountered, instead of going through a lengthy civil eviction process, realtors can now fill out online forms created by GLVAR in conjunction with the Las Vegas Metro Police and the Henderson and Las Vegas Justice Courts.
First and foremost, they have all of the information that we need to investigate the crime. So by them being an agent of the owner of the property, they're able to provide us with all of the necessary information we need to go forward with the prosecution.
Detectives will be assigned to the case, and within days, police may remove the illegal occupants from the residence in question. Once the squatters are removed, the realtor can then rekey the locks on the home. A written notice must be posted on the property notifying the illegal occupants of their rights under the law to get their personal property back. Squatters are not allowed back into the home without a court order, which they must obtain within 21 days after being removed from the home. The first offense is a misdemeanor. Subsequent arrest can lead to a Class D felony if they re-enter the property without a court order. State law requires the property owner to safeguard any personal property left in the dwelling. If the illegal occupant does not file an affidavit with the court within 14 days requesting return of their property, the owner may dispose of it. Even if the illegal tenant files the proper paperwork in court, the owner is still entitled to reasonable payment of costs before releasing the personal property to unlawful occupants.
This collaboration between the Greater Las Vegas Association of Realtors, Metro Police, and the City of Las Vegas is unprecedented in the Las Vegas Valley. The safety of the real estate agents, protection of private property rights, and cleaning up these drug dens and crack houses is fundamental to ensuring safer neighborhoods. This new approach to ousting unlawful occupants from vacant and distressed homes not only protects homeowners' rights, but also helps clean up neighborhoods where illegal activities are taking place.
Community partnerships like the Squatters Program, created in conjunction with the Greater Las Vegas Association of Realtors and the Henderson Police Department, give local governments extra tools to keep our neighborhoods safe from criminal activity. These programs aid in protecting our communities and making us more secure. We are grateful that the GLVAR had the foresight to create this collaboration that helps in keeping their members safe when they encounter squatters on their property.